December in Tucson, Arizona is here, and there are many ways to celebrate the holiday season in the Old Pueblo. Select evenings now until December 24th, you and your family can step back in time at Yuletide and experience all that the Old Tucson Studios can offer this Christmas. This holiday spectacular brings magic to Old Tucson with live shows, interactive experiences, lights, carolers, period costumes, food, and fun. Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and today we are talking about Yuletide, the latest holiday event to hit Old Tucson Studios on Kinney Road. Comment below with your favorite Tucson holiday tradition, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to follow along with all things Tucson. Explore the hundreds of other videos on this channel about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown, and when you or someone you know is ready to buy or sell a Tucson home, please reach out to me. All my contact information is in the description below each video on this YouTube channel. Yuletide at Old Tucson runs from 5 to 10 p.m. Check out the website oldtucson.com to learn more and to purchase tickets. Once you arrive, start off by visiting the opening ceremony where Santa and Jack Frost collide to start the fun. Throughout the evening, make sure to check out the musical The West Pole on the Grand Palace stage, along with the comedy stunt show at the Depot on the north end of town, and the Mission Magic Show, which is hilarious and entertaining. Enjoy music and holiday carolers on the steps of Town Hall, take your photo with Santa, visit the Miss Claus experience, get your face painted at the face painting station, or even win a prize by answering holiday trivia questions in the Holiday Snow It All trivia game show. But my family's favorite way to have fun is through rides and tours. We loved exploring Jack Frost's mine, singing along to our favorite Christmas songs on our horse-drawn hayride, riding the famous Old Tucson train, and even riding the Christmas Carousel, which is the oldest attraction in Old Tucson at 114 years old. It was all lit up for the holidays with lights and beauty. Throughout the night, goofs on the roof kept all spectators entertained as elves cracked jokes and called down to guests from atop Town Hall. And the closing ceremony allowed Santa Claus to bid farewell while we learned what ended up happening with good old Jack Frost. But hey, it wouldn't be the holiday season without food and drink, and there are many restaurants and beverage stops around the theme park. Have some burgers, ribs, delicious fries, or corn dog tots on a chilly night, and you'll be glad you did. If you stay at Yuletide the entire evening from 5 to 10 p.m., you'll definitely get the munchies at some point, and everything they serve is absolutely delicious. I hope you've learned a little bit about Yuletide, Old Tucson's newest holiday event. It really is fun for the whole family. Make sure you bundle up though. It may be a dry desert, but we're still a little chilly here in Tucson these days. Comment below with your favorite thing about Yuletide or Old Tucson in general, and feel free to reach out to me when you're ready to buy or sell Tucson real estate. All my contact information is in the description below each video on this YouTube channel, and there are hundreds of videos about Tucson and real estate in general on this channel, so explore all of those after this one. Like and subscribe on your way out the door to show the channel some love and follow along with Tucson news. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next Tucson video.